Hi! In front of me is OPPO A2 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. Begin by opening device's settings and tapping on connection and sharing right away. Following that, tap on print and click on default print service right away, or select add print service and download the best one for you. Wherever you decided when you finished, click on the chosen one and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!